gentleman whose little daughter takes an old woman as his second wife. A woman and her two daughters, as plain and selfish as their mother, and so is the whole system, forcing her to work day and night. The father was so gentle and kind that he couldn't resist his bossy wife. Because she sleeps by the fireplace at night and wakes up covered in ash, her stepmother calls her Cinderella. As the years pass, so Cinderella measures into a young lady. She patiently runs errands and still believes in miracles.
Good morning, baby. I love you.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Fine, baby, fine. And you?
Me too. It's thanks the breed.
I must not know, so they will come and punish me.
Well, I'm glad to see you. How do you do?
Sweet, you're the nice today. Yeah, you look amazing.
Sweet, little bitty girl.
You наша shiny коса. Good morning. I'm glad to see all of you.
Oh, Cinderella, where are you at, bad girl?
Where you looking for this whole morning?
Where have you been?
I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to washing out the cleanings of the house.
Do you know that it will be a big ball at the king's palace?
And Prince will choose a princess.
And they invited us to the ball too. Cinderella, look at these nice clothes. And you will see a beautiful dress for me from this clothes.
And for me from this clothes.
And for me from this clothes. Do you want to go to the ball?
Of course, I want to go to the ball.
But you won't go because you are dirty, Cinderella. This ball is for people Anastasia and Giselle. And you pay it to work. Head it up.
Don't cry.
I'm going to see the day, Cinderella. Welcome, your sister.
Dear Cinderella, don't cry.
Oh, Cardi, take it easy.
Whoa, funny then.
We love you so much.
Thank you very much for the support. I was not know.
We'll help you. All the good to is better. We shall cook again.
We shall do
It's just like a flower.
I shall eat for you. Wow! Who is this?
Don't be afraid. This is my godmother. I'm glad to see you.
Oh, my dear child, what shall I speak here? Oh, I know you want to go to the ball.
Of course, I want to go to the ball,
But she has no dress.
But she has no slippers.
And she has no jewelry.
Oh no, what's a pity?
It's not a problem. With my majesty. Oh, take this. Salakadula, mechka, kula, bibidi, babidi, boo. It will the magic, bibidi, babidi, boo. Salakadula, kula, bibidi, babidi, boo. Salakadula, bibidi, babidi, boo. These are dress and these are your slippers.
What a beauty! You are so lovely.
But remember, you miss leaves the bell till 12 at midnight.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, everything is ready for the ball. Your Majesty tonight, our Prince will find his princess.
Oh, many beautiful girls are here.
I did some way aren't you dancing?
I don't want. I'm looking for my princess.
Who is that cat lady?
I don't know her. How beautiful she is, just like you.
Hello, beauty. May I dance with you?
Oh, with pleasure.
What a lovely girl. She looks like a Cinderella. Mommy, she can be here. Cinderella doesn't have such a nice dress.
Sorry, my dear, please, I'm very sorry. I must leave you. I must go home.
Wait a little, please. I fell in love with you. I don't know even her name. I love this girl, but I got her small slipper and it will help me to find her.
Open the door, your king is coming.
Oh, Your Majesty, we're glad to see you in the house.
Look, that's the prince.
Yes, who is he looking for?
We are looking for one girl, the mistress of a slipper.
Each girl must try to slipper and if it's with her, she will be a princess.
I'll be a princess. No, I'll be a princess.
My pretty daughters, don't argue. One of you surely be a princess.
Ha ha ha, you put so long I'll be a princess.
Don't quarrel, my dear girls.
There is one more girl. She's my daughter.
What a lovely girl.
Dear girl, come here and try the slipper on.
No, this is Cinderella. She's just a mean, ugly, dirty girl.
But I have the second slipper.
Oh, this is you, my princess.
Oh, Your Majesty, these are my little lovely daughters.
We congratulate you, dear children.
May God bless you. Be happy and be loved.
What a lovely dream I had. Always believe in miracles. Life is wonderful.